Hello, welcome to Pit Maxwell YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss how to activate the auto tuning for our ramp and soak MPU90 series controller. Now, the auto tuning is a very important steps that you should carry it out while you're using our controller for the first time, because the auto tuning can calculate the optimistic value, PID values according to your specific heating system. So there are two most important questions to discuss in this video. The first question would be how to choose the correct target value for auto tuning. We're going to take this profile. Suppose you have a profile like this. The highest temperature in this profile is 80 degrees. So the correct setting value would be 80% of the highest temperature of your specific profile. In this case, the highest temperature is 80 degrees, so the target value for the auto tuning would be 64 degrees, because 80% of 80 degrees is 64 degrees. Suppose you have your another profile in your application where the highest temperature is 1000 degrees, then the target value would be 800 degrees for your auto tuning process. So now in this case, my target value for the auto tuning is 64 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and program the SP1 as 64 and then activate the auto tuning. So let's go ahead and program the SP1 as the target value for auto tuning. Tap on the AM key and set it as 64 degrees. Now, we've discussed how we came up with the value of 64. So the correct procedure would be set the SP1 as your target value 64 and then activate the auto tuning. Activate the auto tuning, just please pay attention, it's very simple. You can press the left arrow key for about 3 seconds. The upper display shows AT, means auto tuning. The lower display now means off, means the auto tuning is not turned on yet. You can change it to on to activate the auto tuning. Let's go back to the initial display stage by press the left arrow button and set button at the same time. And run the controller. There you go. We have the auto tuning successfully engaged. So the auto tuning, just be careful. The auto tuning is a completely automatic process. The controller will execute the auto tuning by itself. You just don't intervene during the entire process. The auto tuning will finish by itself. Just be patient and wait for some time, and then the process will finish by itself.